Hi there, welcome to my studio. My name is Siobhan. This is Art Skills Online. This is where I post videos related to dynamic and gestural approaches to drawing the figure. So if you're interested in figure drawing and you want to develop your own natural response or your natural way of drawing through drawing the figure, stay tuned, subscribe so we can stay in touch. Today's video is about how to approach 1 minute or 30-second poses. And in fact, I want to talk about what's the point even of doing 1 minute or 30-second poses, because more often than not, you don't end up with a very nice drawing. These really ultra short poses are often done at the very beginning of a live drawing session in order to warm up so that you can, get into a drawing mode, then move on to the longer studies. But in fact, these very short poses at the beginning can offer so much more to your drawing than simply warming up. And also, there's lots of other ways that you can warm up for drawing. You can draw with your non-dominant hand, or you can do blind drawing to sort of switch over into drawing mode. So I think that there's a lot more going on in a 1 minute pose that's worth focusing on than simply using them as a way to warm up. These very short poses give you the opportunity to really train yourself to understand your immediate response to something that you see, and also train you to be able to communicate that in a really direct way. When you're in life drawing or figure drawing class and the model takes a pose and you get ready and you look up and you look at the pose, that first impression of the pose can be really powerful, very, very strong impression. And the reason is because you see the whole pose as one thing. When you look up and you look at the model, you don't see, first of all, the head, then the rib cage, then the pelvis, then the knees. You see it all as one. So timing yourself to just 1 minute to draw is a great way to effectively say on paper what that first impression is. When you think of it like that, you realize that a 1 minute or a 30-second pose is not really all about drawing quickly. It's more about drawing economically. How can you use your marks so economically and effectively to communicate what you see? Sometimes the more you work on a drawing, the more risk there is of losing that powerful first impression that you got when you first looked at the pose. Sometimes you want to keep that impression alive in your drawing. Working with 1 minute or 30-second poses really helps you to do that. So I just took a few minutes and I worked with one of the videos from New Masters Academy, and I'll link that timed session below so that you can also maybe follow along. But I just went with the timer this time and tried to stick to the 1 minute for each of these drawings. And I'm using charcoal, compressed charcoal on newsprint paper. If you don't have compressed charcoal or newsprint, you can certainly do these kinds of 1 minute poses with a pen or a pencil in your sketchbook. The approach is the exact same, really. I tend to try and work all around the figure from top to bottom, and first of all just get in that, block in the basic shape of the pose, where I think the important aspect or the direction is within the forms, like the rib cage. I'll look for the tilt of the rib cage. I'll look for the way the head is tilted as well. That's often a very nice aspect of any pose to try and get in. A lot of times I'll just draw over the same drawing, or try and do a few of these 1 minute poses on the same page, because really these aren't drawings that you're necessarily going to keep. It's very useful to look back over them afterwards and see how you got on within that short time frame. But in terms of keeping them, it doesn't matter if you draw over them. And because you're doing so many of these fast poses at the beginning, you don't want to go through all of your paper, so doing a few drawings on one page saves you a lot of paper in the long run. And then if I feel that I've got most of the aspect of the pose down, I might try and pick out some of the contour lines that I see, some of the really most important contour lines that will anchor the figure or anchor the pose for me in the drawing. And don't be discouraged if your drawings look like a bunch of messy lines. That's totally fine. Again, it's not the point to make something that looks very nice. The point is to make something that looks really powerful and energetic. So that's just a few. I think that took me about 10 minutes or so to make those drawings. So there's nothing stopping you now from, grabbing your sketchbook and practicing 1 minute or 30-second poses and see if this new way of thinking about it helps you in your drawing. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I try to post a video every week. And please comment below if you've got any questions or any thoughts yourself about how to draw 1 minute or 30-second poses. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.